Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to practice a quick 5 minutes yoga flow, which you can practice in your lunch breaks while sitting in chair or in sofa or in bed or possibly everywhere, including your mat. First, we will sit up straight with de-stressing our sit bones. You can keep your legs down if you're sitting in chair or sofa. Keep your spine straight, neutral, erect, and focus in your breathing. Throughout this practice, as it is a quick practice, we will make movements and bring more awareness on our breath. We begin with hugging ourselves. And when we hug ourselves, we reduce a lot of tension from our shoulders and upper body, including neck. And do not forget to interchange your hands alignment when you practice multiple times. And spread your hands wide open and create a clapping posture in front of your body, right straight to your nose, and keep breathing. And from here, place your left palm down and keep your right hand bended behind your neck to give a nice lateral stretch, and practice from the other side while changing your hands. Breathe, and while you exhale, come back to the center. You can practice as many times you want and create some spinal movements in your hands. Use your breath as the indicator. While you inhale, come, and exhale, you expand your arms. Inhale, you come forward, and exhale, you spread your arms, and it feels like you are trying to catch something really big. And this movement will really help you to de-stress. And these arms are called as cactus arms, where you create a lot of good mobility in your upper body as well as in your shoulders. Hold up to 5 breath and release. Now, relax your wrist and fingers, which you use a lot while using all kinds of gadgets, especially while browsing in laptop. So your fingers and wrist need a good stretch. Support from the other wrist and stretch it out. Release. Take a moment before you move to other movements, and this time you're going to move your hand from right hand side of your body as if like you are rotating a camera across yourself, and you keep your spine neutral and keep gauging towards your finger and keep a usual normal breathing pattern. While doing that, you will create a lot of good stretch in your overall body and also creating a good concentration for your brain. Look at your fingertips. It's a really great exercise for the people who work a lot on laptops. And rounding your shoulder never goes out of the pattern, out of the syllabus, because it is the most important and beneficial stretch for your spine, for your shoulders, shoulder blades, and you practice it clockwise as well as anti-clockwise, and keep your awareness at your breathing all the time to get maximum benefit out of all these stretches. Practice 10 to 15 times or up to 25 times while taking break after every 5 round. And now it's time to connect yourself with your breathing. For that, sitting in a right posture is important. Sit bones grounded, spine erect, sit up straight. Put one hand on top of your heart, other on the belly, and breathe. While you inhale, Air goes from nose to throat to your chest to your belly. While you exhale, air first comes out from your belly to chest and from your nose. Slow, gentle, mindful breathings. Practice at least 3 rounds. And once you feel ready, open your eyes and look gently in between your palm and gather all the energy which you created while practicing this quick short flow. I hope you had a relaxing stretch and you keep practicing whenever you have a long day. It's gonna really help you. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep practicing. Bye bye.